Hello, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Learn with Hydeetech. Yeah, it's good to be back here with you guys. It's been a while I drop videos. It's one of those things when you're a software developer, you just have to trade your time with money. Okay, so I don't want to bore you guys with stories of why I've not been making videos. So thank you so much. Today, what we'll be learning is how to create the animation you are seeing on the screen. Yes, I created that using HTML and CSS only. It's just something interactive, something you can, something you can implement within few minutes. I think it's less than 15 minutes. So let's see how we can do this. Let's get it started. I'm going to walk you through how to do that. So follow me and let's do that. Okay, thank you. So the first thing we'll need is the assets. Yeah, the images and the GIF I used. So I'm just going to copy that now. And before we create our project folder. So I think I have them here. Just follow me. I'm going to provide link to all these assets in the description below so you guys can have access to it and also try to use it in your own project. So just follow me along. Let's do this together. I'm just going to create my project folder quickly. So if you don't want to pass through that, you can use Ctrl+Shift+N. That is to create a new folder. So I'm just going to create a new folder inside my project folder called assets. Then I'm going to drop those images and GIFs here. Yeah, so that's fine. So let's open up our VS Code quickly. And you go to File, Open Folder quickly. Then you select the folder, the project folder. It's very, very important. Yeah, so we have our project folder open on our VS Code. Then the next thing we need to do is to create our HTML file. So our file is just going to be index.html. So we can close it. So in our index, let's quickly add the basic HTML template. You can use shift and exclamation mark, that is shift 1 to create this. So let's quickly change this to biker animation. Then let's add our main tag here. So inside the main tag, we are going to be making use of marquee tag. Yes, marquee tag to add motion to our images. So let's quickly do that. So we're just going to add image tag inside the marquee tag. Then the first image we'll be adding is a bed image. Yeah, so let's quickly add that. Yeah, I think bed GIF, that's good. So under this, we are going to create a div tag that is going to hold our bikers. Yes, those two bikers you saw in the intro video. So you are going to see, okay, let's just add it quickly. So we are going to add two marquee tags here. Then one will be for the first biker, one will be for the first bike guy, then the other will be for the second bike guy. So let's say assets, then we are going to have okay, let's select this first. Then I'll just copy this and paste. Copy and paste is allowed in programming, so nobody's going to arrest you for that. It's just to reduce the time, reduce our coding time. So we have everything complete now, and okay, let's just see if everything is fine quickly before we create our CSS file. All right, that's fine. So you can see the bed and you can also see the bike guy. So we are going to fix so many things soon, and let's get back to code. So the next thing we want to do is create a new file, which is our CSS file. Then we can name this style.css. So as usual, after creating your CSS file, you need to link it in your HTML file using the link tag. So we can do this, and that's fine. Okay, so let's go back to our CSS file. The first thing we need to do is to add our CSS reset code. Okay, so let's remove the default margin that we have on our document. We're going to set this to 0. Then the next thing we need to do is set the background image. Yeah, that fine streak you are seeing is an image, so we are just going to add that using background image CSS property. So we are going to set this URL then look for the path to our background image. Yeah, this is it. So after this, we are just going to set our background size to cover. Then under this, let's set the position of the image, yeah, to center. So we are just going to check this and see if everything is fine. Yeah, we don't need to open the live server again. Since we are using live server, everything will be fine. Okay, yeah, so we have this. You can see we are having a very large scroll here. So let's reduce our images and see, just to reduce this scroll and, you know, make our web page look better or make our animation look better. The next thing we are going to do is to reduce the size of the images. Okay, so the first one we'll be reducing is okay, before we do that, let's try to add class in these images. Okay, especially the first one, so that, you know, we can easily pick that up. All right, so we have this. We don't need to add in the other images tag because we have this class of bikers here, so we can directly use this to target any of the tags here. So let's get back to our CSS file. Then we can say image dot you know, okay, sorry, beds. Then maybe we can reduce this size to say, I think 300 px should be fine. Have it? Okay, let's just confirm. Let's confirm that. All right. That's fine. So we are going to smash this project. Okay, so our bed is okay. So let's go back to, you know, adjust the size of our bikes. So let's see, we can, you know, use the div with class of bikers, then the image, you know, we can now set our width to say, let's say 200 px. I think that should be fine. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, yeah, that's fine, awesome. Okay, so yeah, you can see we still have some things to touch, but at the same time we don't need to rush. Let's continue with what we are doing. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is, you know, as you can see, this image is not full, it is not having a full height. So let's just do simple manipulation. Let's add a margin top of say 50 px. Okay, so let's see what we're going to have here. All right. So I think we have, you know, I think the height is okay now. There are still some adjustments we need to do. Now you can see our bike guys reversing, so we don't want that to happen. At the same time, let's make the two guys stay close to each other. So what we are going to do is let's target the second bike guy. Yeah, let's target the second bike guy. I mean this guy in orange, the guy on orange. So let's target the guy and, you know, let's give him a margin top of say like a negative value. Yeah, I think that should solve the issue. So bikers, let's use our pseudo selector here. Yeah, I'm very sure you guys are familiar with pseudo selector. So we can say last of type to select the second marquee tag inside the div of class of bikers. Okay, so we are going to select the image, then boom, let's give it a margin top of say minus 15 px. Okay, yeah, I think this is okay. So let's check this now and okay, I think that's fine. Let's just add, you can see the height of our background is not full again, so let's just add a simple arc. Okay, so let's set margin top for the div itself, the div with class of bikers. Yeah, I think that should solve the issue. Then margin top, we can set it to say 50 or 60. Okay, let's use 60 px and see what's going to happen. So let's see. Yeah, I think this is fine now. I think this is okay now. Yeah, so let's just make some quick adjustments. We don't want our bike guys to reverse again, and let's make them move faster than they are currently. So the first thing, so if we need to adjust the direction, we can change this to right. right? So for those of you who are familiar with market tag, you should have understood this. If you don't understand this, you can check back some of my videos. I think I explained this in one of the videos previously, so you can check that. Okay, don't let us adjust the direction for the bears. I think that's okay. So what we can do for the bears is to adjust their speed. Yeah, and we can do that using scroll amount. Yeah, scroll amount. So let's set this to 18, and at the same time let's copy this and paste it for the other guys. For the first buy guy, yes, yeah, and for the second buy guy. Yeah, that's good. So for this, let's make this faster than the other. You can set it the way you want. That is what I actually wanted to do. So you can adjust this side, you can adjust this number to suit, you know, to suit what you are going to like better. So let's check what we have now. Okay, you can see now this guy on blue hoodie shirt is faster than this guy on orange shirt. So you can see, and our bears are faster now. So thank you so much. This is what I want to show you guys. So I'm going to provide a link to the assets in the description below, so you guys can download the assets and try it yourself. You can also adjust these values to suit whatever thing you want, and make sure you get this thing right. If you don't get it right, please let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and add a comment. Let me know. Just let me know if you like the video. And at the same time, don't forget to share it with your friends, and let them learn with what? Let them learn with Hydeetech. So I'll see you guys soon. If you subscribe, expect my videos soon. I'm back again. I'll be doing this maybe once in a week or twice in a week. So you guys should watch out for my video. And if you've not subscribed, again, try to subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.